students.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates.
Okay, so I am teacher Pearl and I am your teacher for today. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can now see it.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now, before we proceed to our discussion, we have our classroom rules here. So these are the rules that you have to follow all throughout our discussion. So the first one, can you all read?
Be kind.
The second one,
Always listen.
the third one,
Sit nicely.
and the last one.
Raise your hand.
So do you all understand our classroom rules?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to follow those rules. And for our objectives, these are the goals that we have to achieve at the end of our lesson. So during the discussion, the grade 2 students are expected to explain the moral lesson from the story of the elephant and the ants, focusing on how kindness, teamwork, and respect help overcome challenges. Express personal reflections on the value of teamwork and respect in their own experiences during class discussions and activities. And the last one, demonstrate coordination and teamwork by performing a skit or role play that shows kindness and teamwork. So are we all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I have a question for you students. How are you all today? How are you all today?
We are good, ma'am.
Oh, that's nice to hear. So we have our first activity today. So our activity is I will show you. I have here pictures, and each picture shows different situations. And what you will do is that you will read these words, these sentences out loud if you think that this is the right sentence to the picture that I will show. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So wait for a while as I. So how was your weekend, students?
Very good, ma'am.
Okay. So are you all excited for our new story today?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, okay. So for the first picture, I will show you the first picture. So what do you think is the right sentence or the correct sentence that this picture best fits? Can you all please read all together? Where do you think is the right sentence? Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Basado?
The fourth one, ma'am. The ants tickled the elephant.
Okay, so you picked the
Yay!
fourth. So Basado got the right answer. So for our third picture, raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, Daryl?
The ants live in an anthill.
Very
Yay!
So Daryl Figueroa got the correct answer. So how about the third one? Raise your hand if you want to answer.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ibuko?
for that picture, ma'am, the ants were furious.
Correct. So Ibuko got the right sentence. Now for the last one. Yes, April? April? Okay. Mugoy. I'm sorry, Mugoy. What do you think is the correct sentence?
The elephant trampled the ant
Very good. So Mukoy got the correct sentence. So let us all read all together.
The elephant trampled the anthill.
The second one.
The ants lived in an anthill.
The third one.
The ants were furious.
And the fourth one.
The ants tickled the elephant.
Very good. Now, before we proceed to our second activity, we will going to have a short review. So, what was the title about the story that we have read last meeting? Yes, Daryl?
The turtle and the rabbit, ma'am.
Very
Yay!
good. So, what are the main character of the story? Yes, Bobo?
The turtle, ma'am.
And
The rabbit.
Daryl.
Yay!
Okay, now, I will group you into 5 groups, and each group will receive a jumbled letters. And then these jumbled letters that you will receive, you will form this into a word. And after you will form it into a word, I will give the meaning of it. Okay?
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 10 will be the group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will be the group 1. Okay. So this is for the group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, and group 5. So I will give you 3 minutes to form a word. So if you have any clarifications, do you have any questions, you just have to call teacher Ferd, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So after you form a word, you will just make it here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you all done, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can paste all the letters here in front. And
I
start
am
with
the
the group 1.
group 1.
Okay. So the word is
Yay!
okay. Now for group 2. Princess Anne. What is the word? So what is the word, April? Okay.
Yay!
For the group 3.
Imutapot, ma'am.
What is that? Okay. What is the word can? Okay. What is the word?
Furious, ma'am.
Very good. Group 4, Daryl. Ay, si Buko. Are you ready to go home na si Buko?
Yes, ma'am. I'm hungry, ma'am.
now I will paste the definition each of the the word that you have pasted here. So the first definition here, let us first read a word.
Anthill. A mound of earth built by ants as their home.
Very good. And for the second word,
Mischief. Playful behavior that can cause minor trouble or arrogance.
Very good. And for the third word,
Furious. Very angry.
good. And for the fourth word,
Wandering. Moving around without a specific direction or purpose.
very good. And for the last word,
Trample. To step heavily on something causing
very
damage.
good. Give yourself a round of applause.
Yay!
Yeah, so these words were actually the difficult words that we'll find here in our story. So are you all ready for our story?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you all ready, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this story is about an elephant who learned a lesson from the tiny ants. So can we please read the title of the story?
The elephant and the ants.
Are you all ready to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
There was once a young elephant who liked to look for mischief. One day, he went wandering away from his family and went walking in the bush. So, what do you think did the young elephant find while wandering away? What do you think did the young elephant find while wandering away? Yes, Ibuko?
Until ma'am.
Are you sure? Yes? So any guesses? Any other guesses?
What is the question, ma'am?
What do you think that the young elephant find while wandering away? Moving around without a specific direction or purpose. Any guesses? So si Buko guessed that the young elephant find a anthill. So let's check. He saw an anthill and thought it would be fun to trample over it and break it. He tramped and stomped all over the anthill and almost destroyed it. Then he laughed as if this was all just a joke. Ha ha ha! The ants came running out of their tunnels in a panic. All together, in their tiny ant voices, they shouted, "Stop it now!" So what do you think that the elephant will do after he saw that the ants come running around of their tunnel? What do you think that the elephant will do? When he saw that the ants were running out of their tunnels. Yes?
He will stop, mom.
He will stop. Okay, another guesses? Another guesses? Yes, Clan. What do you think that the elephant will do? He was trampling the anthill. So what do you think he will do when he saw that the ants were running out of their tunnels?
It will stop, ma'am. Same
Oh.
answer.
Okay, so let's see if the elephant will stop. Do you know what the do you think that the elephant will come back again?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure, Daryl?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other guesses? Do you think that the young elephant will come back?
No. No, ma'am.
No, okay, let's see. A few days later, the young elephant went walking again. He saw with surprise that the anthill had been fixed. Ha, he thought, more fun for me. Do you know what he did? Again, he stomped all over the anthill, breaking the ant comb with his massive legs. Again, he laughed and laughed. Ha 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 ha. So, what do you think that the ants will react this time? What do you think? Yes, Ibuko? What do you think that the ants will react this time?
The ants will bite the elephant, ma'am.
Who bite the elephant? Okay, another guesses? Yes, Daryl.
The ants will be furious, ma'am.
Okay, another guesses. Let's see if your guesses were correct. The ants were furious. Let's see what the smart ants did. Suddenly, hundreds of ants came running out of the anthill. They ran up the elephant's huge legs, they ran behind his ears, and ran up his trunk. They tickled him and bit him and tickled him again. Hee hee hee, that tickles! Ow! Yelled the young elephant. So, for the next, what do you think that the elephant would feel after he was being tickled? What would you think that the young elephant would feel? Would he feel like, would he feel happy about it?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, let's see. The ants answered, just look what you've done. You've destroyed our beautiful home. Not once, but twice. We will only stop biting you if you stop bothering us and if you stop breaking down our home. The elephant stood with his mouth hanging open in surprise. The ant said, you think that because you are bigger and stronger than us, you can bully us. Well, think again. We are powerful too. We may be tiny, but there are lots of us. Together, we are strong. The elephant was very itchy and very sore and very tired of being bitten. So he said, okay, I won't destroy your home again. Just please don't bite me or tickle me anymore. When the ants hear this, they ran down the elephant's ears, down his trunk, and down his legs. You think that the elephant was being honest? That he won't do it again?
No, ma'am.
So you think that the elephant was not being honest?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then they, then they looked up at the elephant and in their tiny voices, all together they said, and just think about this. We build things up. We don't break things down. We are constructive. We are not destructive. The elephant replied, actually, I'm quite so impressed with the way you fix your homes. So the ants went back into their home and the young elephant went back to the herd. You think the elephant learned his lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the next day, when he went walking in the bush, the young elephant walked very carefully around the ant hill. And if you looked at his face, you could see he was smiling. And all those little ants, well, I think they were smiling too. So why do you think that the elephant was walking carefully around the ant hill? Because, yes, Ken?
So that he cannot destroy the
happened?
The ant and the elephant, ma'am.
Very good.
Yay!
So where does the story happen? Yes, April? Where does the story happen?
At the mountain.
Yeah, so it's at the bush near at the ant hill. Okay, so do you what do you think would the ants would feel when the elephant destroyed your home? They were yes, Daryl.
They were furious, ma'am.
Yes, they were furious. And also they were sad because their home were destroyed. So okay, very good. So what lesson did we learn from the story? Yes, Clan? What lesson?
The lesson that I learned from the story, ma'am, is to not bully others.
Very
Yay.
good. Yes, Igupo. Yes, lesson about from the story.
But don't be destructive, mom, because the ants will bite you.
Okay.
Yay.
Yes. Wow, yes, Darwin.
When we work together, we will make a strong force, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, yes.
Do not make the same mistakes again, ma'am.
Okay.
Yay.
Yes, April. What? So we have to be kind with each other. So we should not bully others because of their size, because they're different. Because the elephant was too high of himself because he was big and strong.
Asa ka mag-play? Dito sa una.
You okay, ma'am?
Try mong books, ma'am.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much, guys.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what a wonderful presentation. Okay, so can I have one representative to present your skit? What is it all about? Yes, Ibuko.
Yay!
So what was your skit all about, Ibuko?
There's a woman, ma'am, bringing books, ma'am, and there's two children playing, ma'am, and they bump the girl, ma'am, then the books fall, ma'am, then there's two boys, ma'am, who help the woman, ma'am, to get all the books from the floor, ma'am.
The thing that it shows kindness and teamwork.
Yes, ma'am, because the two boys help the girl, ma'am,